This simple guide will show you how to file taxes on TurboTax Military. Filing taxes can seem daunting, but with TurboTax, the process is streamlined, especially for military personnel. Today, I'm going to walk you through each step to ensure you file your taxes accurately and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel more confident in handling your tax return using TurboTax Military. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Federal section of TurboTax. This is where you'll manage the core aspects of your tax return. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Wages and Income. Click on that, and you'll find a list of income sources. Look for the section that pertains to your job, which will be marked with W-2. Click on Start or Update next to this section. This is where you'll input the information from your military W-2 form. Now, let's talk about entering your military W-2. It's crucial to ensure all the details match your physical form to avoid any discrepancies. Start by entering the information exactly as it appears on your W-2. Pay close attention to each box on the form. TurboTax will guide you through this process by prompting you to enter specific details. This might include your wages, taxes withheld, and other pertinent information. Accuracy is key here. Double-check each entry to ensure it matches your physical form. Next, focus on box 13 of your W-2. This box is particularly important for service members. It may include checkboxes for statutory employee, retirement plan, or third-party sick pay. Make sure this information accurately matches your physical W-2 form. If there are any discrepancies, it might affect how your taxes are calculated, so it's essential to get this right. As a member of the military, you might have served in a combat zone, which can impact your tax filing. If you've received non-taxable combat pay, you'll find this information in box 12 of your W-2, marked with code Q. TurboTax will prompt you to confirm your combat zone status. This confirmation is essential because it ensures that your non-taxable combat pay is correctly accounted for, which can affect your tax liability. Once you've entered all your W-2 information and confirmed any combat pay, TurboTax will continue guiding you through the rest of your return. You'll be prompted to enter any other income you might have received, as well as deductions and credits that could apply to you as a military member. Take advantage of any deductions or credits available to you, as they can significantly reduce your tax burden. Throughout this process, TurboTax provides helpful tips and guidance tailored to military members. If you ever feel stuck or unsure about a particular section, be sure to utilize the resources available within the software. TurboTax also offers support from tax experts who can assist you with any questions specific to your military situation. By following these steps and ensuring your information is accurate, you'll be well on your way to successfully filing your taxes with TurboTax Military. Remember, tax season doesn't have to be stressful. With the right tools and guidance, you can complete your return efficiently and with confidence. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your filing.